Hello everyone, welcome to Small Model Car. Today we have got a Ford Model A Custom 31. Casting is by Hotwheels and is new for 2025. And I'm sure this is the second color. The first one was in red. So let's open it up and see how does it look. So here's the Custom Model A out of its box. So as the name suggests, it's a custom car. And you can see it's got a lot of custom things on it. So I'm going to start from the front. So up front, if you see it, these tires, the wheel, they are very different. You don't really see on other Hot Wheels. They're very skinny. And the rear ones are big and fat. So I think this setup is usually used in drag racing. So this might be custom made for drag racing. And also if you see at the front, the headlamps are taped. So wait. So it is modified or customized for racing. Coming on the driver's side, as you can see, there's no fender here. You can see the engine. You've got number 43cc Hot Wheels and something else really small which I can't read. Obviously it's a two-door sort of car, and you can see a lot of stuff has been removed, like bumpers in the front and back, and I think steps and other stuff too. Coming to the rear, same story there. Good big fat tires, no bumper, no tail lamps or anything. I think tail lamps might be there. Hot Wheels haven't detailed them. There's a place to have a number plate. You got a small window in the back. Now on the passenger side, you can see the exhaust coming out of the engine, which looks really cool. And you can still see this rustic paint with number 43 stripes on the top. And if you look at the top, you can see a helmet and goggles inside. So it is a racing car. Maybe a drag racing car or some other kind of racing car. It does look good. It looks like it has a roll cage inside too. Well, it's a nice looking casting. And I think this one looks more rustic. Red one is also like a nice looking one. Should you get it? Yes. I think if you're someone who can detail a bit, so if you can detail the headlamps, maybe add tail lamps, it's gonna look even better. Well, those are my thoughts. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.